Struggling to share files from OneDrive? Learn how to create a shareable link in seconds. We'll walk through the exact steps. Open OneDrive, set permissions, and copy your link. So start by opening your file in OneDrive. This could be a document, a photo, a spreadsheet. It really doesn't matter what type of file it is. The process is exactly the same for all of them. Go ahead and find the file you want to share. And when you hover over it or select it, you should see the Share button right there. Just give that a click. This is the starting point for everything we're about to do. Now, adjust the link permissions. Once you click Share, a small window will pop up with your sharing settings. By default, OneDrive probably set it so that anyone with the link can edit the file. That might work for some situations, but you really want to be in control of who does what with your stuff. So look for the drop-down menu or the link settings option. It might say something like, anyone with the link can edit. Click on that. This is where you can change the whole dynamic of how your file is shared. From here, you have a few choices. You can restrict it to only people in your organization, or you can even set it to specific people only. But the big one is the edit permission versus view only permission. If you change it from can edit to can view, then nobody can accidentally mess up your work. They can only look at it. That is huge if you are sending out final reports or important documents. And here's the really important part. If you are working with sensitive material, you can also set an expiration date or a password on the link. That is an extra layer of security that a lot of people skip, but it is easy to add from this same menu. Now, confirm your permission settings. Once you have picked the right level of access, whether it's edit or view, and for who, you need to apply that change. Go ahead and click the Apply button right there at the bottom of the window. This just locks in your choice, so OneDrive knows exactly how you want this link to behave. Finalize the link settings. You might see another Apply button or a Confirm button, depending on your version of OneDrive. But don't worry, they do the same thing. Just hit Apply again. This is basically your second confirmation, making sure everything is set the way you want it before you actually send the link out. Think of it as a safety check before you hit the road. Now, copy the generated link. After you have confirmed your settings, you will see a button that says Copy Link. Click that. OneDrive will copy the link directly to your clipboard, so you don't have to highlight or copy any text manually. It is done for you instantly. From here, you can paste it into an email, a chat message, a project management tool, wherever you need to share that file. And because you set the permissions first, you know exactly what the person on the other end can and cannot do with it. And that is it. You now have a shareable OneDrive link with precise control over who can view or edit your file. No more guessing, no more awkward follow-up messages asking people to stop editing your stuff. You are in the driver's seat. If this walkthrough helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips just like this one.